Just arrived at the first floodplain camp. Now, I uploaded a video saying that 2 camps had been trashed. So here I am I just can't leave rubbish like that in areas and know about it. It's just not me. So someone's already been down here and done a little bit of litter pickering and piled it up on the fire. So I've come down to get rid of everything. Already got rid of the bench. Piled more rubbish on the fire. Started to get rid of all the stones from the fire. I'm gonna get rid of this pile of stones, and where this is dug in here, all the soil's there. I'm just gonna move it right back over, and this place will be as it never was. Unfortunately, the damage that's done is already quite bad. But yeah, I picked up. Well, been here about an hour now, and I've picked up a lot of glass. Got my gloves on. Didn't bring Tyson with us just because the broken glass, you know. But yeah, I'm getting there. It's a lovely day for it. Hopefully we'll get a bit more done and get up to the next one and get that done before the rain starts. Getting there now. 2 logs in the fire pit, that's gonna go in a second. And then I'm done here. It's all just cleaned up and back. Well, not as it was, but you know, within reasons of little pest damage and stuff that you can see. I can never get rid of that. But I can, a lot of my followers said, just clean it up and leave absolutely nothing for them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let them sit in the soil like the animals they are. I've got the old entrenching tool on the go. I'm gonna move these logs and where this soil's piled up against them. I'm gonna take a few spades out of that, get rid of it, flatten it down, and then just put that soil over the top of it, and this area will be done. I've already took 2 black bags out and took them to the public bin at the other side of the river. It's about a 20-minute walk from here. Yeah, that's everything gone. They can sit in the soil and enjoy themselves. Not too shabby. Yeah, I'm happy with that. The only really damage now is just this tree. There's nothing I can do about it. It's still flowered, but so it's. We'll see if it dies. Right, that's me done here. So I'm going to head up to the next camp. Start on that one. That might take a little bit longer because there's a lot more rubbish there. Just got to the first woodland camp. Just a little mental note of what it is. I'll start cleaning it up. Oh, what you say? Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. All I've got is the actual fire ash to get rid of. And then foliage done. So I just want to say a couple of points on the matter that, yeah, me and Tim were discussing this obviously because we've been together since I made the last video, and yeah, it doesn't impact us. It doesn't upset us, impact us. A lot of comments saying, why weren't you like really pissed off? And nah, it's not worth it. Because, I mean, this is the first time I've actually showed a trashed camp on video. And I think we've had probably 11 over 6 years. And we've never showed them before. But, yeah, I just thought I would just say, you know, the downside of having wild camps and spots and that. But yeah, we lose 2, we'll get 2 from somewhere else. We've got so many permissions that we've got permissions we've never even been to. We've got permissions we've never built on or camped at. We've got permissions that are built up. We've still got a lot of camps around. So yeah, it's no impact at all to our production and our enjoyment of getting out. And you know something? Even though today's, took me like 6 hours I've been out for now. 2.5 down there and the rest up here. This was the worst one. But I've actually enjoyed myself. It's been quite a pleasant afternoon. Yeah. So I got 2 black bags from here so far. And I have scoured the place. There's no litter here down on the path or on the way up here. There's a little bit of damage done to some trees, and this one too, but it's not going to kill them. This tree here snapped about 2 years ago, and I just duct taped it back together, and it's still living. Hazel. I didn't expect it to seal back. I expected it just to keep it attached and strengthen it. Yeah, and that's grand. A little bit of damage to this one here too. But again, not enough to kill it. Not enough to kill it. See, we make all of our camps that are built up, we never cut living trees. All the river camps and woodland camps that I have camps at are all built from driftwood that have floated up from the river. Whether we've had to carry it a mile to get it there, we've done it, you know what I mean? We're not scared of hard work. And, well, you know, it shows. There's a little bit of damage done to that there too, look. I mean, there was a lot of green wood on the fire, and it hadn't burned. You can't burn green wood when you're starting a fire. It doesn't work very good. There we go. Done. Put loads of leafage down too. Just so it's not just a bare patch of earth. Yeah. So that's that. Close the door on these camps. I mean, I can still camp here, but I just save that for winter when no one's around. So big thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm also uploading a lot more of my photos and video clips to Instagram under Carlisle195 also. That's that. We'll catch you all again soon.